What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can withdraw BNB Beacon chain from Trust Wallet to your bank account. Well, the process for that is very simple. For that, we will open up our Trust Wallet. Now, I will just open up my Trust Wallet, and this is how it will look. Here, in order to withdraw it, you just have to sell the cryptocurrency that you have. For that, we will go up and then click on this buy and sell section. In the sell and buy and sell section, you just have to select sell. Then the cell, as you can see, it is telling me to select Ethereum, and you just have to click on that and you'll be able to select the BNB chain. You just have to select that and then enter the amount you want to sell. Suppose you want to sell 10 or 100, and then you just have to, simply click on this, whatever the currency you want. You want it in euro, British pound, or US dollars. Once you do that, once you have enough like cryptocurrency, it will want you to enter your bank details. Just enter the bank details and the money will be transferred to your bank details. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to withdraw BNB chain from Trust Wallet to your bank account. Hope you guys find this very helpful.